energy. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shut selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you already know what time it is now. The done this lab. Yeah, man, gang, you see what we are doing today, man. We're back in the lab. Today we're there with the Spartan boss. Yeah, man, Tamale, the one named Active. You see me, aka Energy Up. You see me, and say the official visualizer. Check it out and see what I'm doing. You don't know Spartan boss. You see me, there's not much said we have to say about Tamale. You're supposed to know Tamale. If you know a dancer, you're supposed to know Tamale by now. You see me, and say one of the OGs in the game. You see me, and say, yeah. Now we'll revise much longer. Tamale, Sparta, Active, gang. Let's get it.
Get active. Get active. Energy up and the vibes can't cut. Energy up and the vibes can't cut. Energy up and the
well, you know, have so much energy definitely up on the one, yeah.
vibes can't cut. Vibes can't cut. Vibes can't cut. Keep them up. Keep up somebody. Can't tell me you feeling me fucking life. Keep up somebody who lose and young tonight.
That's how far I can't tell me. If you live my life, man, so we out here. Come on.
Rich badness in a cap still. I feel a pop pill like a Advil. Smell the telly bartender, we got mills. Lick a bus in our head, make it active. Get active.
Y'all pop you like a Advil, eh? I take them like a blood clean candy. Come in.
Killer them a action pack. Some big party girl, yeah, perfect. And I live my life, I'm so proud. Girl, I suck it and I feel it with the coupe. Everybody goes, go.
Yeah, man, you have to live a life you're proud of, you know. Yeah, man.
Keep your cups, them man. Can't tell me you feel it, me fucking life.
Yes.
Go. Keep them up, somebody who lose them, girl, tonight. Energy up and the vibes can't cut. Energy up and the vibes can't cut. Energy up and the
Vibes can't cut. Energy up and vibes can't. After no JPS this, man. Come in now, man.
vibes can't cut. Vibes can't cut. Vibes can't cut. All economical. Rich lifestyle and my dog can't prove. Not you know, so me can't talk up.
Family look like him making you know saying active back, you know. Back for jumping bangers and sitting, you know. Family, that I try to tell you the one, eh?
Betty they mash up, honey pull up, DJ economy buckle, honey Billy fabricate, bar I get mash up, full of fire run up, so we get shut up, down my bodies until I been in a coffin. She's a me clean like whistle, punko demon, then I know I'm in a
Where that term come from? Clean like whistle. Whistle is a dirty thing, you know. If you blowing, why if you blowing, I know, boy, I be a spit and sing a whistle. So who came up with that? And the fact that whistle they used to be like metallic and shiny. And most that's why they
look at me go chain and me wrist them a glisten. Me magical and rock a the baby Charles listen. Energy up and the vibes can't cut. Energy up and the vibes can't cut. Energy up and the vibes can't cut. Energy up and the
vibes can't cut on a JPS this. Eh? Can't lock off this energy, man. No, sir.
Can't cut. Energy up and the vibes can't cut. Vibes can't cut.
Hey.
Energy up and the vibes can't cut. Energy up and the vibes can't cut. Energy up and the
Cloud, the gunman walk. Hey, easy now, I got you.
vibes can't cut. Vibes can't cut. Vibes can't cut. All economical. Rich lifestyle and you know we can't prove. Anywhere we touch on the beast spark up.
Anyway, touch it, Spartan boss, a beast spark up, you know. Energy up, vibes can't cut. One day, one arm team, man. And the name active. I wonder, Tamale, I try to make you know, say you're in back active in that place. More bangers are forward. That a go on? Yeah, man. I'll look for visualizer. I think that's just from Tamale's standpoint, that's just a little sample. You see me, a little throwaway. You see me, there's something to keep the fan base occupied right now. You see me, I say, I think that's why he did that one. You see me, just a little, yo, hold this here. You see me, I say, gang. But anyway, let me think about that one in the comment section, gang. If you like, go show the artist all over support me, you know, say I did dance in it. You see me, I say, gang. Also, drop a comments. Let me know if you're part of B, so you smell it, all that good stuff, man. Let's chop it up. Let's get it going, gang. You don't know we're going strong over here. Road to 10K. We only what? We're only 3K away from 10K. And I'm sorry, we're only 2,800 away from 10K, gang. So help your boy out. Let's hit that goal, man. You see me? I say we can do it. You see me? We can do it. You see me? Let's hit that before Christmas and the holidays, gang. You see me? I say, but anyway, yeah, man. Tamale, Sparta, yeah, man. Active, energy up, yeah, man. That one very active, upbeat. You see me? Every time I want the slow down, you know, don't vibe. You need some upbeat thing, up the energy. You see me? I say, yeah, man, gang. Yeah, man. Spartan boss, big up yourself. Family, you don't know, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.